Párate, 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 párate. At eto na naman tayo sa isang video na pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na to. Kaya sa inyong lahat, mga boss, mga master, welcome back. Kaya umpisan natin at matakot.
A man was diligently clearing and setting a table at a popular restaurant, simply doing his job well. But at that exact moment, no one could have anticipated what was about to happen. This was the killing fate of a hardworking man who was about to be horribly disturbed.
Yun lang.
We can see something pulling at his leg, yet mysteriously, no one knows who or what it actually was. At this point, I'll leave it to you to decide and judge for yourself.
Yun lang. Sa kaya lugar to, no? Kung sino man nakakaalam dyan sa inyo, paki-comment nga dyan. Pati kawawa naman si Kuya, kita mo, nagtatrabaho na nga lang di ba? Sabi nga nagtatrabaho, hardworking nga sabi, gagambalain ka lang ng ng kung sino mang entity yun, di ba? Perwisyo, di ba? Ayan,
About to happen. This was the killing fate of a hardworking man who was about to be horribly disturbed.
Nakakatakot ganyan na
We can see something pulling
pangyayari.
at his leg, yet mysteriously, no one knows who or what it actually was. At this point, I'll leave it to you to decide and judge for
Kawawa
yourself.
Pero sa inyo na rin yun kung ano sa tingin sa pangyayaring yun, di ba? Kayo na ang bahala ang maghusga.
Another TikToker shared a video revealing a bizarre event caught on their cell phone camera, so let's take a look. When the camera flashed, an unexplainable entity suddenly passed behind a person sitting down. All you can see is what looks like a pale shadow crawling at high speed. What do you think is this genuine paranormal footage, or just a staged hoax? I'll let you be the judge.
Ayan, no? Kulay puti lang na dumaan sa likod ng lalaki, no? Nakaupo. Pero di rin natin alam kung ano yan, no? Di naman masabing glitch, di ba? Tagal naman ang ano nito.
This clip was captured inside a room that was supposedly no longer in use. A young woman filmed a video for her TikTok, only for her camera to catch something totally unexpected. Let's watch and see whether what your eyes are about to see is real or fake.
Hi, it's Kelly. I haven't been down here in a really long time, like a month or two. After what happened, I couldn't come down here. So, but my family's come down here a lot, and so my brother, and they say they've seen nothing, and my brother, I made him look through every single room and everywhere, and there's nothing here, and I need to finish this video, so I'm doing it. So, this is a turning point, and
A dark figure suddenly appeared right behind her, caught clearly on camera. Overcome with terror and not knowing what to do, the young woman could only scream. As you can see, it was a faceless, pitch-black shadow. Is it really true that when a room is left abandoned, supernatural entities and spirits take up residence? What do you think?
Let's say maaari gano'n pagka yung lugar talaga hindi mo talaga ginagalaw no? Tapos hindi pinapasok yung kwarto kahit nandun ka pa nakatira. Madalas talaga may tumitira talaga, syempre, di ba? Kumbaga parang dating is sometimes masabi mo yung mga ganyang entity parang squatter din, ano? Nananahan sa bahay na tahimik at walang gugulo. Kasi pagka magulo yung bahay mo o tawag doon, maiingay ang taong nakatira, halos umaalis sila, di ba? Ewan ko lang sa inyo sa paniniwala niyo, siyempre, di ba? Kayo na bahala rin yung maghusga rin sa bagay na yun.
In a completely deserted playground, anyone would be shocked to witness a scene like this. The uploader shared this strange footage caught on their camera, so I'll leave it to you to judge what's really going on here.
Galing din, no? Gumagalaw, eh, oh. Playground
What
ba
do you
yun?
think is actually happening? And what could possibly be moving it? You can't just write it off as the wind. Do you really think the wind alone could move something that heavy?
Hindi.
What's your take? Let us know in the comments below.
Hindi pwedeng maging hangin lang yan. Ang bigat niyan, eh, oh. Nakakatakot naman yung gano'n. Makikita mo gabi, no? Sabay gumagalaw mag-isa yung ano na walang nakasakay o walang gumagamit.
Our next video was captured by someone inside an ambulance. They noticed something bizarre happening at the back of the vehicle and immediately started filming on. Here is the footage they recorded.
Eto, oo.
We can see a blanket moving entirely on its own, almost as if it has a life of its own, with no one visible controlling it. Could a spirit be manipulating it from the shadows? I'll leave it to you to decide what's really going on inside that ambulance.
Mahirap i-explain yung ganun din, eh. Kasi kung sasabihin mo kung pwede rin kung i-debunk yun, maaari bata. Di ba? Bata yung ano, yun nga lang. Hindi rin natin masabi, di ba? So, it's up to you na nga daw to judge it.
Let's take a look at what they thought. Was it a ghost? Or perhaps the intruder? Just before hitting record, they heard the sound of a child crying, which prompted them to investigate and film. In the clip, a dark figure appears, leaving everyone wondering what it could actually be.
Yep, and there's something over there crying. Do you guys see that? Do you guys hear that crying?
Hindi.
Look, it's fucking moving. What the fuck? And there's something over there crying. Do you guys see that? Do you guys hear that crying? Look, it's fucking moving.
Here's what we did. We brightened up the footage so we could all get a clearer look. At the end of the day, I'll leave it to you to decide what they actually caught on camera.
Sabi, may umiiyak na bata. Pero yung nakita is di naman bata. Ewan na lang natin kung gawa-gawa lang o totoo ang nakita natin sa video na yun, di ba? Kayo na bahala na rin.
In a hallway where you do not expect that something shouldn't happen, we will witness it. Because there is a man walking normally and suddenly something you wouldn't imagine happened. I know anyone would be shocked if it happened to you. Even right now while you are just watching, you will already get goosebumps.
Oo, kitang-kita. Eh. Biglang lumitaw yung ano, yung anino, eh. Oh.
But as
Baka-
always, it's ultimately up to you whether you believe it and why. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think this really is.
Katulad din yung nakaraang video natin, ganyan, di ba? Malay natin, boss niya rin yun. Late na naman eh. Kumbaga pa easy-easy ka pa naglalakad dyan ha. Pero nakakatakot yung ganun kaya, di ba? Biglang may lilitaw sa harapan mo na anino. Sabi, hatakan yung paa mo. Meron na ba
And
nakaranas
this
sa
video
inyo ng
is one of
ganun?
the most shocking TTTV
Ayun, comment nyo kung may naranasan na kayong ganung bagay sa buhay nyo. Ikwento nyo naman.
clips that left many paralyzed with fear over an alleged incident in a pitch-black area. A man on a motorcycle suddenly appears out of nowhere, so let's take a look and examine what really happened.
Oh, nag-viral to dati eh. Yung video na to talagang kumalat sa social media to eh. Kasi CCTV talaga 2016. Alauna. Tapos makikita mo biglang may lilitaw na kulay puti, may nakita ang kulay puti na lumitaw sa harapan mo. Tapos sabi nagpakita ulit.
Let me ask you, if something like this were to happen to you, what's the very first thing you would do? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's discuss whether you made the right call or not.
Siyempre, yung ginawa niya, ganun din gagawin namin. Takbo ka agad, siyempre. Buti na lang, hindi ano yun, yung ano ba yun, yung tawag doon, yung ano ba yung tawag yun, yung magdanakaw, o hindi, nahuli na dali na yung motor mo.
This is Mia, and she experienced something horrifying right inside her own home. Let's watch to find out what terrifying event unfolded and why it got so bad she had to... Mia seems to be living a true nightmare inside her own home. It all started while she was recording some simple videos for her social media. Suddenly, she hears a strange noise leaves the camera on the tripod and decides to check what it was. But it was exactly at that moment that something bizarre appeared in the background.
Oh, gumalaw yung ano.
As soon as she leaves the front of the camera, you can see a dark shadow moving subtly inside that closet in the back. That would be enough to leave anyone disturbed. However, from that day on, the situation only got worse. She started hearing bizarre sounds of heavy footsteps echoing through the house. And one night she took the worst course of action. She decided to go and check.
Hello. Hello?
Ayan, siya lang mag-isa na nakatira niya sa bahay na yan.
I swear to God, I'm losing my mind.
Nakagulat naman yun. Naka-ano ng camera eh.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
She goes down and searches every room on the lower floor, but finds nothing that could explain those cracks and footsteps she had just heard. But when she decides to turn back and go up the stairs, she hears the clear sound of someone running in the attic of her house. At that moment, dread took over. She didn't think twice, locked herself in the bedroom and called emergency services. RSS.
Meron ba? Wait lang ah.
She goes down and searches.
Tingnan natin, hindi ko masyado narinig eh.
Nothing. I swear to God, I'm losing my mind. Oh my god.
Ulitin natin, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
She goes down and searches every room on the lower floor, but finds nothing that could explain those cracks and footsteps she had just heard. But when she decides to turn back and go up the stairs, she hears the clear sound of someone running in the attic of her house. At that moment, dread took over. She didn't think twice, locked herself in the bedroom, and called emergency services, or is his. The police officer tries to reassure her, saying it could just be a wild animal like a fox or maybe a raccoon. However, she is convinced that something is going on in that attic, and these records appear to be just a work of entertainment, but either way, it remains a scary video.
So sa atin yan, ano yan? Kapag nagkakalampagan na ganyan, malamang daga. Diba? Sa kanila rakon daw.
I hope you enjoyed what I shared with you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep giving you chills in every video I make for you.
Alright guys, so maraming salamat sa manonood ngayong araw na to sa video na hinanda ko para sa inyo. At salamat po sa mga followers and subscriber na nag-share ng mga video ko po. Maraming salamat at shoutout sa inyo lahat ng mga followers ko at mga subscriber. Okay? So, hanggang doon tayo ulit. At maraming salamat ulit at adios mga butet.